Okay, let's get into a massive, under-the-radar shift happening in the world's economy right now.
So, what's the single biggest threat to the economy? It's probably not what you're thinking. And nope, it's not AI or China. It's way more boring, and that's what makes it so dangerous.
It all starts in Tokyo. You see, for like 30 years, Japan was the financial system's duct tape.
They kept interest rates at basically zero, turning the country into the world's ATM.
The trade was simple. Borrow yen for free, buy US assets paying 4%, and pocket the profit.
But this year, that all stopped. Japan raised interest rates for the first time in 17 years.
So all that money that flowed out for decades, yeah, it's all rushing back home now.
So why does this matter? Well, as the saying goes, it all comes down to the bond market.
US bond yields are just supply and demand, and the world's biggest buyer just left the building.
For starters, even if a company is doing great, higher bond yields can drag its stock price down.
Next, your mortgage. Those rates are tied to these yields, so they're probably not dropping anytime soon.
And for businesses, it gets more expensive to borrow, which means less growth for the whole economy.
So how do you deal with this? You got to get back to the fundamental rules of money. Let's start with interest. It's either your worst enemy or your best unpaid employee. Simple as that.
Simple interest is a flat fee, but compound interest, well, that's where your money starts making money.
Then there's inflation, the silent thief. It's why your cash is worth less every single year.
And the best way to fight it? Investing. You have to put your money to work for you.
So even with all this global chaos, your personal plan can be your anchor. Here's how.
Here's a simple 90-day reset. Month 1, track and automate. Month 2, build that emergency fund.
And in month 3, you start investing. Just be consistent, even if you start small.
And this is why you start now. Just look at how powerful compounding is over time. It's wild. So the world's biggest buyer is stepping back. The era of cheap money is officially over. But look, even though markets are changing, your financial plan doesn't have to. You're in control here.